Welcome and thanks for taking time for learning something about that has brought positive difference in millions of people's life around the world. We hope that this presentation will assist you to create a significant income in your near future. You probably have a lot of questions. Today in this presentation, we will start with the first one. Forever Living Products. Who are we? We are the world's largest aloe vera company and we are dedicated in seeking out nature's best source for health and beauty products and sharing them with the world. Forever Living Products was founded in 1978 by a man with incredible vision, a man called Rex Mon. His vision was to spread health and well-being to millions of people in the natural way through aloe vera and creating a company that could give ordinary people an opportunity to live extraordinary life. He didn't do it alone. He was wise enough to build a talented team of brightest people around. Forever Living Products has a magnificent head office in Phoenix, Arizona, in United States of America. And we have a manufacturing unit in Dallas, Texas, where we produce more than 8 million gallons of highest quality aloe vera. Let me show you a video about how we grow, manufacture, and distribute aloe vera products to millions of people around. Today, Forever Living Products has offices over 160 countries around the world. In Middle East, we have office in Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, and in UAE. In UAE, we have our head office on Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai, and a branch office in Dera. We also have a branch office in Abu Dhabi as well as in Sharjah. Now, let us see what products we have. We have fantastic range of products which are designed for you to look better and feel better. We have natural aloe vera gel which helps in better digestion and nutrition absorption. We also have aloe berry nectar where powers of cranberry and apple are mixed with aloe vera. And then we have aloe bits and peaches which contains natural peaches which are best for children. And last, we also have Forever Freedom with powerful ingredients to support your joints. In order to boost your energy and stamina, we have the purest quality of honey products produced in our own beehive facilities. In today's world, everyone wants to look fit and fine. So we have designed 54 days fitness program called the Forever Fit program, which includes 3 steps: Clean 9, F15 and Vital 30. This program is researched over 20 years and has proven results for millions of people around the world. We also have aloe-based skincare products which can soften your skin and also give healthy glow. These products also have anti-aging properties which surely will make you look younger. Plus, we also manufacture personal care products which do not have any harmful ingredients and are absolutely safe for you and your children. We have over 10 million loyal customers around the world who love our products and use them in their daily routine. People are getting unbelievable results in their fitness goals by doing our weight management programs. And you can enhance your skin texture by moisturizing with aloe-based skincare and personal care products, which has got superb benefits for everybody around the world. Now, the most important question: how you can make money with Forever Living products? To learn this, you need to understand how the traditional business cycle works. In traditional business, the grower produces raw material which is purchased by the manufacturer. The manufacturer then produces the final product and sells it to the wholesaler. The wholesaler then further sells the product to many small retailers. And finally, these retailers like hypermarkets and supermarkets sell the products to the end users or the consumers. Meanwhile, companies' owners also run high budget advertisements to attract more and more consumers. In each of these steps, there are a lot of expenses and unpredictable profits as well. Now let us see how Forever business cycle works. Forever grows, produces and distributes world's finest aloe-based products. They distribute them through Forever business owners like you and me. And that profits, which traditionally goes to the middlemen, now goes to us in the form of bonus checks, travel incentives and travel trips around the world. Forever business owners have 2 streams of income. First, you can develop retail customers and earn 35 to 48% profits on product sales. Second, you can build a worldwide team of business owners like you and create an unimaginable passive income in your journey with 20 to 33% of bonuses. Now, let us see what are the benefits of running your own Forever business. First, you can decide how much you want to work. 90% of the people start their Forever business part-time or in their spare time. Second, there is no experience required initially to start your income. You can always enroll in our free training programs where leaders will share their business experiences with you. Third, there is nothing to worry in Forever business as this business is completely risk-free. And lastly, it's completely online, so you can do it with all other activities. Now let us see what you are going to achieve in Forever business. You can start earning a good amount of bonus checks after investing 3 to 6 months of your spare time and by building small team of 15 to 20 individuals which can make a great difference in your monthly budget and also make you a happy person. After which, by creating a bigger team of 50 to 100 people, you can also qualify for car incentives which others will only dream of. You can earn up to 3,000 per month in addition to your regular monthly income. Another great incentive is global trips, which is good for 2 people, you and your life partner, with 5-star experiences including hotels, food and spending money. Thousands of distributors qualify every year and visit the most exclusive destinations around the world. You can be there too. Your consistent efforts over time can produce remarkable and life changing results which will help you to achieve some of the biggest incentives in Forever business, called the Chairman Bonus. It's Forever's annual performance bonus in addition to your regular monthly income. This year, the top performer, Miss Asha Juma and Mr. Mohammed in UAE, received 420,000 US dollars, which has made a huge difference in their life. Let me show you a video of our global event in Dubai, changing lives of millions of people living in UAE.
Welcome to Dubai! Are you excited to be here? Aren't we from forever? We're from forever! $349,000! Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go! Here we go, so check's going up, here we go, here we go, here we go. $546,860. Gee, work it, work it, work it. $556,012. Come on, buddy, come on, work it for India, work it for India. Come on, mate, here we go, here we go, here we go. $573,368. Keep rubbing, keep rubbing, keep rubbing! $677,108! Let's see, here we go! Jane Leach and John Curtis! Show us the money! $891,271!
It's just a matter of leaving this audience today and saying, I can, I will, I must change your life and the lives of many, just as the Morn family have done for us.
$26,185,824. So on behalf of Rex, Greg, Navaz, Garen, myself, and all of the FBOs throughout the world, thank you, and it's good night, Dubai.
I must say, you can change your life completely. Many have already done, and now it's your turn. This is the most genuine and authentic business you can find on earth. So don't let this opportunity pass by you. Thanks for watching this life-changing presentation. And let's begin your journey by meeting the person who showed you this presentation. The biggest online business opportunity is waiting for you.